Traffic jam in the Andes.
We were so fortunate to be in the Mapacho River Valley and be warmly greeted by the Quechua communities. The towns of Bon Bon and neighboring towns were so warm in their welcome to us. And our purpose was to go check out some of the finest textiles in all of Peru. And when you go to these towns, you realize that the astounding quality of these textiles results from traditions that date back thousands of years, and that the quality that you can get in these towns, if you're willing to take the time to go there, is higher than almost anything you can find in the touristic parts of Cusco, although there are some places where you might be able to find a few items. Some of these items take weeks to make, and the Quechua people in these communities are not only happy to see us just because they're good people, but of course we're making large purchases, or rather my friend Scott and Isabel, their company, Ethnoco, is making large purchases and reselling them on their website. It was super fun to go to the Mapacho River Valley on the way to the jungle, and if you have time to check out these communities, I really highly suggest that you do so and spend a full day or two hanging out with the Quechua people. What a wonderful experience.